Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Northeast Students Organization Neso, under the chairmanship of Jyrwa, had organized a peaceful sit-in demonstration near the statue of Kiang Nangbah in front of the Civil Hospital Shillong on the 17th of August 2022. Others present included the Khasi Students Union President Lambokstar Marngar, General Secretary of the KSU Thabah, the HNYF President Sadon Blah, members of various pressure groups that include the FKJGP, HITO, JSU, RBYF and others. While addressing the gathering, the chairman of the Northeast Students Union, Jyrwa, enlightened those present on the inclusion of the Khasi states into the Indian subcontinent, initially through the standstill agreement between the then government of India and the Federation of Khasi States, and later through alleged coercion through the signing of the instrument of accession, the conditions of which have not been honored by the government of India. At the same time, Neso has once again demanded the scrapping of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act 1958, the scrapping of the Citizenship Amendment Act of 2019, the implementation of the Assam Accord to settle border disputes between the northeastern states and Bangladesh, the immediate implementation of inner line permit in Meghalaya and all the northeastern states of the country, and the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution.
India and have this agitation to show our resentment towards the attitude of the government of India towards the different issues that we have been raising from time to time. The demand for the implementation of ILP, the demand for the updation of the NRC, and also so many other demands for the protection and preservation of our identity. Instead, the government of India brings out a law which is against the interests of the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region, which is the Citizenship Amendment Act. This is, can say that when we ask from the government of India to give us bread, instead of giving us bread, they give us a stone. So this is the response of the government of India, and today's protest, it's a very small protest in all the different states of the northeastern region to show that we are against this attitude of the government of India, and this attitude of the government of India, it has been adopting since India got its independence in 1947 towards the different states of the northeastern region. Well, the next course of action of Neso will be that we will meet again and we will chalk out a future course of agitation. But at the same time, the component organizations of Neso, they are at liberty, they are free to take up any agitation in the different states with regard to the fulfillment of these issues. Well, I don't think as Neso we need to go to Delhi and put pressure on the government. The central government knows enough about the demand for ILP and all other issues concerning the indigenous peoples of the different states of the northeastern region. If the government of India is really keen to protect us, then they can do so. But it seems that the government of India, through its attitude, all these years since independence, it shows that it has a careless attitude towards the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region, but rather they are interested only in the land and not on its people.